I've had a few people ask me about my rear window coverings on the back doors and why I went with these coverings. Our van came with these coverings for the back windows. They are Velcroed into place, but they do show some light if you're trying to boondock somewhere and be discreet. The other thing about it is if you put your head back here, it causes the panel to come down. Welcome to the solution. We have these Van Essential window covers, which are magnetic. And they just plop right into the area, and they block the entire window and no light can penetrate. These coverings come with magnets already inside the perimeter, and I had to put magnets around the plastic molding of this window where all the magnets of this cover are, and it goes right in. Now my head is able to get back as far as possible, and these coverings are padded and insulated. This rear panel is easy to remove, and you would use a small screwdriver bit to pre-drill the hole where you're going to put the screw. Magnet is on the opposite side of the screw, so actually the screw is magnetized and you don't see the magnets. And I use black screws so they can blend into the plastic molding.
Since the window panel needs something magnetic to adhere to, the rear window had a plastic trim. I had to add magnets to the plastic trim so that the cover would magnetize itself to it. I decided to put the magnets on the back side of the plastic trim. However, you can put the magnets on the front of the trim if you'd like. I just wanted to put them on the back side. Here is a drawing depicting how I assembled the magnet to the back side of the plastic trim. You can choose whichever way you want to mount your magnets. I'm not saying mine's the best, but it worked for me. I used a magnetic grade of stainless steel for my machine screw so that the magnet field would penetrate into the screw and then into the magnet itself. There is a non-magnetic stainless, which is a 304 series, but I used an 18-8 so that I had a magnetic screw. You don't need a stainless steel screw if you don't want to. You can use a magnetic screw, but I was worried about corrosion, so that's the reason I picked the magnetic stainless steel screw. I recommend going to your local hardware store once you get your magnets and look and see what size machine screw they have, so this way you have it small enough that it fits through the magnet hole, because you cannot drill the hole out on the magnet.
Looking at the plastic trim here, I came in on the plastic trim about a half inch there where I drilled the holes. So that's where you would want to kind of drill your holes or locate your holes, about a half inch.
Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next video.